Hey, what's up guys, MKBHD here. Today I'm your ghostwriter, and we're diving into the electric vehicle revolution. EVs aren't just about ditching gasoline, they're about reimagining transportation with cutting-edge tech, sustainable design, and impressive performance. In this video, we'll break down the latest trends, highlight standout models, and give you a peek at the future of electric mobility. Let's jump in. Let's start with a true game-changer in the world of electric vehicles, solid-state batteries. For years, scientists and engineers have been searching for the next big breakthrough in battery technology, and solid-state batteries are now at the forefront of this revolution. These innovative power sources are poised to redefine what's possible for electric vehicles, promising to address many of the limitations that have held back widespread EV adoption. Unlike the traditional lithium-ion batteries found in most EVs today, solid-state batteries use a solid electrolyte instead of a liquid one. This fundamental change brings a host of advantages. First and foremost, it makes the batteries much safer, reducing the risk of fires or leaks that can occur with liquid electrolytes. The solid materials also allow for more compact designs, freeing up valuable space inside the vehicle and enabling new possibilities for car design and engineering. But perhaps the biggest win is energy density. Solid-state batteries can store significantly more energy in the same amount of space compared to their lithium-ion counterparts. This means electric vehicles equipped with these batteries could travel much farther on a single charge, potentially doubling the range of today's EVs. Imagine a future where range anxiety is a thing of the past, and long road trips in an electric car become effortless. Not only do solid-state batteries offer more range, but they also promise much faster charging times. Picture plugging in your EV and getting hundreds of kilometers of range in just a few minutes, making electric vehicles as convenient as refueling a gasoline car. Plus, these batteries are expected to last longer, withstanding more charge cycles before their performance starts to fade, which means lower maintenance costs and less frequent battery replacements. Major automakers and tech companies are investing billions to make this vision a reality. Companies like Toyota and QuantumScape are leading the charge, racing to develop solid-state batteries that are reliable, affordable, and ready for mass production. Their prototypes are already showing impressive results in the lab, and the competition is heating up as everyone wants to be first to market with this transformative technology. While you won't find solid-state batteries in your local dealership just yet, the industry is buzzing with anticipation. Experts predict that the first commercial vehicles with solid-state batteries could hit the roads within the next few years. When that happens, it will mark a turning point for electric mobility, making EVs more practical, accessible, and appealing to a wider range of drivers. Beyond performance, safety is a major benefit. Solid-state batteries are far less prone to overheating or catching fire, even in the event of a crash. This added peace of mind is crucial as more families and commuters make the switch to electric vehicles, knowing that their cars are not only efficient, but also incredibly safe. The future of electric vehicles is bright, and solid-state batteries are set to lead the way. Keep an eye out. This is the next big leap in automotive technology, and it's coming sooner than you might think. Worried about charging times? Ultra-fast charging is here to change that. New high-voltage stations and advanced batteries mean you can get to 80% charge in under 20 minutes. Charging networks are expanding along highways and in cities, making long trips easier than ever. Smart systems now monitor battery health, optimizing speed and longevity. Companies like Tesla and Electrify America are leading the rollout. Ultra-fast charging is making EVs as convenient as gas cars. Range anxiety. It's quickly becoming a thing of the past. Advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, are changing how we drive. Features like adaptive cruise, lane keeping, and emergency braking are now standard on many EVs. Next-gen systems use better sensors and AI for smoother, smarter driving, even hands-free in some cases. Over-the-air updates mean your car gets smarter while parked. Tesla's Autopilot and GM's Super Cruise are leading, but others are catching up. These are stepping stones to full autonomy. The tech is evolving fast, making driving safer and more enjoyable. Pay attention to these features. They're shaping the future. Let's talk Tesla Model 3, the car that made EVs mainstream. Its minimalist design, intuitive touchscreen, and impressive range set it apart. The long-range version goes up to 560 kilometers per charge, and superchargers make topping up easy. Performance is strong with quick acceleration and all-wheel drive options. Safety is top-notch with advanced driver assistance features included. Most importantly, it's priced for accessibility. The Model 3 proves EVs can be practical, fun, and affordable. It's a milestone in making electric mobility available to everyone. Meet the Hyundai Ioniq 6, a car that redefines what it means to drive electric, blending head-turning style with a deep commitment to sustainability. From the very first glance, the Ioniq 6 stands out with its sleek, futuristic silhouette and bold design language. Every curve and contour is carefully crafted, not just to look stunning, but to serve a purpose. Its aerodynamic design isn't just for looks. It's engineered to slice through the air with minimal resistance, boosting efficiency, and extending your driving range up to an impressive 500 kilometers on a single charge. This means fewer stops and more freedom to explore, whether you're commuting in the city or heading out on a weekend adventure. Step inside, and you'll discover a spacious, tech-filled cabin designed for comfort and convenience. The interior features premium, sustainable materials, like eco-processed leather and recycled plastics, showcasing Hyundai's dedication to a greener future. Dual digital displays put navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls right at your fingertips, creating a seamless connected driving experience. Charging is quick and hassle-free. Thanks to ultra-fast charging technology, you can power up from 10% to 80% in just 18 minutes, perfect for busy lifestyles and spontaneous road trips. No more waiting around, just plug in, grab a coffee, and you're ready to go. Hyundai's extensive charging partnerships mean you'll have access to a wide network of public charging stations, making it easy to find a plug wherever your journey takes you. Whether you're in the city or on the highway, staying charged is simple and convenient. Safety is a top priority, with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and even remote parking. These technologies work together to keep you and your passengers protected, while making every drive more relaxing and enjoyable. The Ioniq 6 proves that electric vehicles can be stylish, practical, and eco-friendly all at once. It's a car that fits seamlessly into modern life, whether you're navigating city streets or enjoying the open road. For those who refuse to compromise on design, technology, or sustainability, the Hyundai Ioniq 6 is a true standout, offering everything you want in a next-generation electric vehicle. For luxury and range, the Lucid Air sets a new standard. With up to 830 kilometers per charge, it's an industry benchmark. The interior feels like a high-end lounge, with premium materials and a sweeping glass canopy. Performance is stunning. 0 to 100 km/h in under 2.5 seconds. Lucid's Dream Drive suite brings advanced driver assistance and semi-autonomous features. Ultra-fast charging adds hundreds of kilometers in minutes. The Lucid Air proves you don't have to compromise on luxury, performance, or range. It's a glimpse of the EV future,